How to upgrade your Dropbox account to Dropbox Plus in easy fast way. So all what you have to do is simple, guys. Just go to Dropbox. As you can see right here, this is the home page. Now all what you have to do, go to the top corner, click on those three lines. Now click on upgrade for more space right here. Now, as you can see on this page, you can get the free trial for 30 days and try the Dropbox Plus. And there is another way, just go again to those three lines and click on upgrade account here. As you can see, it's the same thing. You have also the third way, click here, click settings and click on upgrade right here. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you later.